All right, so hey, I'm here in the bathtub today. Clean up the mess around the drain plug. It's this heavy buildup from my hard water. So in this case, I'm just gonna pour a little bit right down in here. So I'm just gonna let the vinegar sit here and do its thing for a little bit. Just gonna, still a lot of really hard stuff on here. You can take a look. Yeah, I mean, it's definitely getting clean, but look how, I don't know if you can hear this. It's that like calcification from the hard water. Okay, I'm back over here after a couple more minutes. Regular brush. Let's see how we're looking. Pretty good. I mean, some of that, I don't know what some of this is. Just going to give it a little bit of a hit. There's some stuff on the sides that looks a heck of a lot better. That is not bad at all, guys. Straight vinegar, no other solution was in there, no soap, no peroxide, no other chemicals added. So as I was cleaning the tub out at the end, I was rinsing it all out. I realized that it was draining extremely slowly. So I said, oh, no big deal, let me just clean the drain out a little bit. It was completely disgusting. So if you want to check that out, there's a bonus, just me cleaning the disgusting drain. Unbelievable.